Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G200 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera and we have to first of all switch to the photo mode. So let's tap on photo. Since it is highlighted, it means that for sure we are here in the good mode, in the proper mode. And all we have to do right now is to simply take a look at those icons, and the second from the right is the timer. Right now it is crossed out because it is turned off. If you'd like to turn it on, just tap on it. Right now we just set 3 seconds delay, and after tapping on it again we can set 10 seconds delay. So let's check it. We've got 10 seconds delay here, so let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. After tapping on the timer again, we can totally turn it off, just like it was by default. Here we've got 3 seconds delay, so the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 3. And of course, we can turn it off, so it means that your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually, this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Motorola Moto G200. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.